Turnips are the easiest to grow vegetables by just following a few things. You can also grow turnips from seeds in pots. We will see this process step by step, so let's begin, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. First of all, you have to know the exact time to sow the seeds of turnips. It's a winter's root vegetable grown from seeds at the start of winters. A cool environment is most important for the seedlings as they can't handle the heat. So wait for the winters to start. As the temperature starts to drop, you can sow the turnip seeds, but in cold weather areas where the winters are very cold, turnips won't grow well. The best time to sow the seeds of turnips in such areas is the springs. The summers are mostly less hot in such areas, so this is perfect for the growth of turnips in springs and early summers. It's a short period crop, can be harvested within 70 to 90 days. Just follow a proper season to start turnips. One key thing for growing turnips in pots is the seeds quality and type. Older seeds that were harvested 2 to 4 years ago have a lesser germination rate. They grow weak plants. Better to buy freshly harvested seeds. They are much more likely to make stronger and resistant plants. Always buy from a trusted source. Make sure you also buy a compatible variety of turnips. Exotic varieties that looks very fancy, but they grow hardly because it's not their compatible region. If you are experienced, then you can try, but for a beginner, a simple common variety is the best choice. Some good quality turnip seeds are also added in the description below. For preparing the pot and soil, choose a very well-draining and soft mixture. Seeds love to grow in a soft mixture as it promotes their healthiest germination. You can also make a seed starter at home. Video on this is added in the description below. For the pot, choose a good size pot with drainage holes. You can take a plastic pot or clay pot, both works fine. For sowing the seeds of turnip plants, make the soil fully moist. Place the seeds equally apart. Cover them with a thin layer of coco peat and water thoroughly. Place the pot in a fully bright area but not in the direct sunlight. The seeds will start sprouting within 4 to 5 days. As soon as the first seedling appear, you have to move the pot in a sunlight area so it won't get laggy. Once they are 4 to 5 inches big, you can shift them into a bigger pot. I use such a wider grow bag. It's perfect. You can also buy one from the description below. For the soil, make sure it's loose and well draining. Tight and compact mix causes the small size of turnip bulbs, so use a soft mixture. A simple recipe is also added in the description box. Carefully get the seedlings out of the older pot. Don't damage the roots. Make a hole in the soil and plant up to the crown of the plant. Crown is the part from where all the leaves are growing out of. Plant each seedling around 4 to 5 inches apart. Water the soil, don't throw water over the plant, and keep this under a bright shade for some days, and do subscribe for more videos. Within a week more, your plants will start growing again. You can move them back to a sunny area. The plants will keep on getting bigger and bigger because the weather is cool. You can also fertilize them at around a month age. The fertilizer that works the great is this. It's made at home from kitchen-based ingredients. You can follow a video from the description box to make it and apply every 2 weeks. Your turnip plants will grow bigger in sunlight, so make sure of it. 3 to 4 hours of direct sunlight is very ideal. If you see any pest during this growing phase, use Neem spray. It's very effective. Video on making Neem spray is also linked. After around 3 months of seed sowing, the turnip plants will be fully matured. You can harvest them at this stage. The bulbs start developing after 2 months. Once they are ready, they will pop out of the soil. Simply grab the trunk of the plant and harvest it. This way, harvest all. So here we have our homegrown turnips ready. It's all about growing turnips from seeds at home. Follow this guide to learn how to grow beetroots at home from seeds, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.